Hey everyone, this is Coach Alta, and today what we're going to be learning how to do is how to create a Pic Monkey picture for your challenge groups. So you go to picmonkey.com, and as you see here, I'm going to go ahead and go to the actual, let me show you how it looks when you go to the actual screen. So you go to picmonkey.com and you're going to go to design, you go to square, and when you click that on the square here on the left, you can push cancel here. Here on the left, you have your crop editor, your design enhancers, your text, and your overlays. So let's go over here to overlay. Today happens to be day 4 of one of my challenge groups. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see, what are we going to do here? I'm going to go ahead and create some type of labeling. And let's go, I'm feeling like a circle today. So I'm going to create that, expand this, and you can put that here. Here's where you can change the color palette. So if you want pink, blue, green, you can do all of that there. Orange looks good, so you can do that. As well as here is circling. So you have the option of creating highlights. You can do fades on things, so you can create a fading. It looks really cool. Everything is pretty awesome here. Once you have things that are permanent, you can go up here to this cool button. It's called merge. And once you merge things, it will make it easier so that you don't constantly drag and drop all over the place. Let's go ahead and put a push pin, and it makes it look a little interesting. So push pin to look like as if we're holding that down. And let's throw some text on here. Today I'm going to write, I tend to like just right now what I'm doing is I'm making like a template so that way when I run my future challenge groups, it's a little bit easier, have a little bit more systematic until I get bored of these and I don't want to use these anymore. So what did we say? Today is day 5. Yesterday was day 4. So day 5 of the challenge. And we'll just keep it pretty simple because like I said, today's going to be more of a template. So we'll go ahead and make it like a template. So you can go over here to the right and you can actually center your text. Once you have that, you can choose a different color. Let's make our font white. We're going to go ahead and bring that up. Day 5, you can make it larger here, or you can actually go to the actual fonting on the side, the font size, and do that. Now, let me show you what a garnish is. A garnish is a cool little looking thing here. You can put that there. They have different options. You can hover over, you can right click, you can delete the overlay, send it to back. If you're sending it to back, it'll actually send it behind the actual orange thing. Or you can go ahead and we changed the color of that in the back there. So I actually like that. That looks good. So here we go. In regards to today, let's put a banner down there. I'm feeling like putting a quote for them. Something that's going to help plan. And so make that there. Now let's go ahead and make a right click. We can duplicate the overlay and you don't have to get super duper creative. You just gotta be willing to try things. So if you go ahead and lighten that up, that gives it a kind of an interesting look there. So we'll do that. Now let's create a backing for this. If we go down here to the fonts, you can create any kind of backing. So let me go ahead and show you. Light trail, let's see if this works. So we can click cancel here. That one doesn't generally work, but if we wanted like a brick backing, that's what it would look like for a brick backing. And if you want to do this as well. So those are some options there. Let's go ahead and click cancel. Let's scroll down to papyrus. And I'm actually digging the brick look today. So let's go back up here to the brick. I'm going to go ahead with the brick and apply that. And let's think of something motivating to say today. So today is day 5. What day is it today? Thursday. I think it's Thursday. It may be Friday. Today's Friday. So what tends to happen on weekends for people? Their family comes in, and so let's go ahead and make something motivating. But what do we want to say? Make weekends your strong points, and progress will appear by Monday. And so we'll go ahead and choose here a font. Let's center that. Let's make it white. What we're going to do is we're going to overlay this here, and we will extend it. And and here we go. So I'm actually going to go ahead. You saw when I faded the pink, makes it easier to read if I don't fade it. So put that up here. And awesome. Now we have that. I'm actually digging the font. And so stay healthy. We'll put stay healthy so that people can remind themselves that the weekend is an important time for them to stay healthy and to move that a little bit over. We can tilt that. You see, we can hover over, and there we go. And here we go. All right. So now what we could do is we can merge this. So now what happens, you see, if I click on anything, you can't touch it. So I can add anything here from the side. Let's say if we wanted to go ahead and add check marks or create some actual arrows or something of that nature. Let's go ahead and we can put a hand. Here's another pretty cool feature here is you can flip the hand and you can make the hand go down, up. So I'm going to flip the hand. I'm going to actually make this larger and I'm going to hover this down so that we're pointing down to the actual texting here. And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, move it a little bit over to the right. So here we have it. This is, let's see, does it look better? White, yellow? All right, we'll actually just keep it original black and let's go ahead and merge that in. Now we touch it. That's it, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and save that there. I'm going to call it Day 5 Challenge and save it to my desktop. And voila, you have now created a Pic Monkey, and it took you just a couple minutes. So hope that helped. You could do this for your challenge groups, create templates of them, save them into a file so that in the future you have now actually created a whole little template. So I hope that that was helpful, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good one.